Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be working on a family command center. If you're anything like me, you've had to start homeschooling your kids. I still have to do my own trainings and online work, and it was becoming a little bit tedious trying to remember everyone's schedule. An idea of trying to figure out a way to keep all the schedules and all the paperwork and everything together, and my final decision: Family Command Center. Everything that I'm using today, I already have in my house, so let's go. When you're thinking about a space in your home for your family command center, don't feel obligated to put it in places where you've seen other YouTube videos or Pinterest. Place it. You can put your family command center any place that works for you. However, it works best and is most efficient in high traffic areas. The space that I've chosen is in my hallway next to my bathroom. No matter what type of repurpose you're doing, always start with a clean space. I wanted my command center to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. This is the design I chose as my inspiration. To complete this look, this week's Repurpose project is an IKEA desk hutch. I purchased this hutch off of Letgo from someone for, I think, about $7. I originally wanted to use it in my daughter's room for storage, but it's too big and was just sitting around collecting dust. To ensure the hutch was sturdy and wouldn't tip over while we were using it, I needed to add a base. So I took 2 foam boards and glued them together. Then I flipped the hutch over, making the top the bottom and the bottom the top. I added a piece to the board to ensure that it would be sturdy enough, and then glued all the pieces together to the now top of the hutch. I was looking for just a frame to show you all how to make a calendar, and I found this. Apparently, it's been in the closet waiting on me to use, and I purchased it at Walmart for only $7. All the items you see here today, I already had in my home. They were purchased either on clearance at a store or through thrift shopping. I've tried to remember the prices of the items when I bought them. The ones that I did remember, I placed in the description box. In the beginning, I had wanted to use all of these items in the space, but as you will see, I wasn't able to use everything. One thing you'll learn about me is I always like to have a plan. So I planned out my space. Alright, let's start to put this thing together. Did you know Command had a strip that you could use with this type of hanging. These were really easy to use, and they came with these extra strips for the bottom. First, a reminder of my inspiration. I absolutely love the way this came out. And I still have plenty of space to add other things. It was pretty cool to find that there was already a magnetic whiteboard as part of the hutch. I didn't know that when I bought it. Right now, there's plenty of light coming in through the bathroom window. But when this door is closed, it gets pretty dark in this little corner of space. But I came up with a brilliant idea for this too. This is a battery-operated emergency light switch. It uses LED light to brighten the space. See how dark it is without any light and with the bathroom door closed? But once you turn on the light, it's nice and bright, and you can see everything that you need to see. Lights off, lights on. Thank you guys for watching.